Today, we're answering one of the biggest questions homeowners have. Do I need to repair a partial or a full roof replacement? Not every roof problem means you need a whole roof replacement, but waiting too long or going with the wrong fix can cost you more in the long run.
So a common misconception is that when you have a problem with your roof, you have to replace the entire thing. Not so. Most of the time, we can give options that will include just replacing entire sections and still give people a 20, 30-year warranty. And that's a great value, especially if you can't, in that moment, afford to do the whole roof, because they're expensive. In the last 50 years, I've worked on thousands of roofs. So one thing I can tell you is that small problems turn into big problems. Things like you find a shingle in your yard and it's not your neighbor's. Or you find a spot in your ceiling, in your bathroom, your closet, or in the middle of your kitchen. If you see one of these difficult warning signs that make you nervous, call Williams C. Rott, because it might be a simple fix. It might be a repair, or it might be a replacement of a section or the whole thing. So definitely make the call. If you see something, don't be afraid. There's always options. The most expensive repair that you'll ever make is the one you have to do twice. As a company, Williams C. Rott Son has replaced over tens of thousands of roofs in Western New York. That experience helps us decide whether a repair makes sense or whether we'll just be taking your money and not actually solving your problem. We never go in with preconceived ideas. We try and find out what their situation is, what the options are, what the best ones are, recommend those things. Holy cow! This is dangerous out here. If you find a shingle on the ground, you might want to get under cover because there might be more coming. It's either because your roofer or the neighbor's roofer didn't put the roof on right. If you have that situation, look over as best you can your roof, look over your neighbor's roof to see who it might be. People call and they're like, what do I need, and so on, and they'll say, oh, you're the expert, and I'll say, as a matter of fact, we are. Part of it means, of course, we've been in business for 117 years. I've been doing this work for 48 years. What I say to people is, it's all logic. You know, the work that we do, it's just if you're using your head and you care, you can figure it out. Anybody can figure it out. It's so simple. Water runs down. You lap everything with a natural flow of water, and you have ice backup. And you need to shield off for both of those things. And so when we look at a situation, first we listen, find out what's going on with their situation, apply logic, apply the experience, and in the end, we're going to end up with a great job for them.